Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. In today's video, we are moving the furniture around again. Yes, we are getting ready for Christmas. And I love to put my Christmas tree in front of the window. So that's why we are changing the furniture. So I'll be unboxing the Christmas tree. It was gifted to me from King of Christmas. It is the Prince 7-foot pre-lit tree. They sponsored my video on Instagram and I decided to share it here too because I love it so much. So we'll be unboxing that. And I also have some mirrors that I ordered from Overstock. I'll be unboxing them on here as well. They're the same mirrors I had before, but I purchased them from a furniture store. And when I got home, I noticed one was rusted. So I took them back and ordered them from Overstock, which was a better deal. So you'll see me do that as well. So please stay tuned to the end of the video. We are going to share a big surprise at the end. That's going to be a clue to my Christmas season decor. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please stay tuned. And by the way, I do put the felt pads on the bottom of my furniture pieces so I don't scratch the floor. I also use the furniture moving pads as well. But since I'm getting new floors, I haven't been as careful as I normally am. And hopefully I'll get those before Thanksgiving. And I may have to take the tree back down. And I'm okay with it, especially if I'm getting new floors. So I'm just waiting on one more last quote. And I have to pick out some more flooring because the one I picked out is discontinued. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'll check back with you later on. All right, so let's get to unboxing. As I mentioned, this is the King of Christmas Prince 7-foot pre-lit tree. It has 400 warm LED lights. It came with the instructions, a pair of gloves, and a storage bag. So that's perfect because I do need a storage bag. I usually put my Christmas trees in the box that they came in, and the gloves, I always use gloves when I put my tree up, and that's great that all of their Christmas trees come with the gloves. I put a little towel on the floor. It wasn't really necessary. I could have went bigger because it didn't shed much. And of course, we're going to start from the bottom. And when I put my trees up, I also start from the bottom with fluffing them. So I'll go ahead and fluff it, put the next row on, fluff that row, and continue on. This is the most important part of decorating your Christmas tree. You want to make sure that you fluff every limb. You want to touch every limb inside of the tree. You want to spread those tree limbs up, down, sideways, just pull them apart. And even if you don't do it all at one time, just come back and do it some more. But be sure you make your tree as fluffy and full as possible. They were designed to be fluffed out, so make sure you spread those branches and fluff that tree. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing with the middle section. We're going to put it on and spread those tree limbs as much as possible. And then we're going to put the top row on and do the same thing. And like I said, I always come back through and take a look at the tree and see if there's some areas where I need to fluff it out a little bit more. And if so, I'll just do it then before I put my Christmas decor on the tree. This is another important part. That last couple of rows of the tree, you want to pull it down, especially if you're using a tree skirt. If you're using a tree collar, you may not have to do it as much, but I love to pull that last couple of rows down and spread it out a little bit more to elongate the tree a little bit more to the floor. I'm thinking I want the taller chairs over here, so I'm going to go ahead and swap those out. And if I decide I want to switch them out later, I'll just switch them out because I may have to move the furniture anyway when I get the floors done. So all right, so I shared these mirrors in another video. I previously purchased them from a furniture store in Memphis, and when I got home and hung them on the wall, I saw that one was rusted. So I immediately called them back and let them know, and she said that's why she gave me 10% off. And I thought she gave me 10% off because it was the last set and they were out on the wall. But I don't want any rusted mirrors on my wall, so I took them back and ordered them from Overstock, and they were about $30 less than what I paid for in the store. So I'm happy now, and I'll share the link in the description for anyone who's interested in purchasing those mirrors or just checking out the price and the measurements on them. Right, so here's the layout of the furniture for Christmas. I went ahead and removed all of the pumpkin or Thanksgiving decor pieces off of the bookshelf. I still have a few pumpkins on the table. I'm going to leave those on till closer to Christmas or until I decorate my tree. And I'm really liking this layout too. I've had my room similar to this, but not with the same furniture. And it turned out great. So I'm so excited and I cannot wait to share the holiday season with you all. Once again, thank you, King of Christmas, for gifting me this 7-foot flock pre-lit tree. It has 400 warm LED lights on it, and as you can see, there is a steady light, a slow fading light, a fast blinking light, as well as a slow blinking light. And all of the lighting can be controlled with the push button switch that is attached to the tree using your foot. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Have a great day. And the Christmas theme for this space this year is royalty. So I hope you all stick around for our upcoming videos for this space. Thanks again for watching.